Time to tear down some walls. Alright, let's do this.
Alright, let's rock and roll. That seems safe.
It's trenching the lawn. So that's how we do it. There we go. If I tire.
Plunger on this rush again. Rush. You got it. Good. Don't get predictable. Lunge to the strong side. Pull, lunge, get, good.
Pretty sure that ejector pump should be connected to something so it doesn't literally spew crap everywhere.
Get up there, son. Can you get it up? You can get it up there. Yes. Yeah, one more. You got one more. Yeah, put it on the tractor. Put it on the front loader. Wow. Yay. High five. Yeah. I got the best deal ever on these 275 gallon IBC totes, and they're working phenomenally better than my pallet storage system. They need a little love, but I think I got like 16 of these so far, and they work for just a bunch of projects. I saw you trying to get in there. It looks pretty silly, huh? You want some help? Help? I'm impressed though. He's stuck. You got it? You want help? Help? Okay.
This is so much better than just piling stuff up on pallets. Everything's just organized. You can put a little hat on it, keep the rain off it. During monsoon season, I just gotta do it like 12 more times now to get rid of all this stuff.
Can load it up. Load it up onto the tractor. Load it. You got a lift. Swing it around. Yeah, good job. That's interesting looking fruit there. Oh! Yeah. Nice. Looks good.